Es-tu prêt?
Are you ready?
Es-tu prêt à commander?
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Es-tu prêt à partir?
Are you ready to leave? Are you ready to leave?
Es-tu prêt pour l'examen?
Are you ready for the test? Are you ready for the test?
J'apprécie.
I appreciate.
J'apprécie ton honnêteté.
I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate your honesty.
J'apprécie ton aide.
I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help.
Io t'apprezzo ta patience.
I appreciate your patience. I appreciate your patience.
À quelle fréquence?
How often do you?
À quelle fréquence voyages-tu?
How often do you travel? How often do you travel?
À quelle fréquence fais-tu de l'exercice?
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
À quelle fréquence cuisines-tu?
How often do you cook? How often do you cook?
Et si?
What if?
Et s'il ne vient pas?
What if he doesn't come? What if he doesn't come?
Et s'il pleut?
What if it rains? What if it rains?
Et si nous échouons?
What if we fail? What if we fail?
Sais-tu comment?
Do you know how to?
Sais-tu comment cuisiner cela?
Do you know how to cook this? Do you know how to cook this?
Sais-tu nager?
Do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim?
Sais-tu comment y aller?
Do you know how to get there? Do you know how to get there?
Pourquoi ne pas?
Why don't you?
Pourquoi ne prends-tu pas une pause?
Why don't you take a break? Why don't you take a break?
Pourquoi n'essaies-tu pas celui-ci?
Why don't you try this one? Why don't you try this one?
Pourquoi ne lui demandes-tu pas?
Why don't you ask her? Why don't you ask her?
Je n'ai pas l'habitude de.
I'm not used to.
Je n'ai pas l'habitude de la nourriture épicée.
I'm not used to spicy food. I'm not used to spicy food.
Je n'ai pas l'habitude de conduire la nuit.
I'm not used to driving at night. I'm not used to driving at night.
Je n'ai pas l'habitude du froid.
I'm not used to cold weather. I'm not used to cold weather.
Je ne sais pas.
I don't know.
Je ne sais pas quoi dire.
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Je ne sais pas où c'est.
I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is.
Je ne sais pas comment aider.
I don't know how to help. I don't know how to help.
Je regarderai.
I rarely.
Je regarde rarement la télévision.
I rarely watch TV. I rarely watch TV.
Je mange rarement à l'extérieur.
I rarely eat out. I rarely eat out.
Je bois rarement du café.
I rarely drink coffee. I rarely drink coffee.
Je suis ravi de.
I'm thrilled to.
Je suis ravi de te rencontrer.
I'm thrilled to meet you. I'm thrilled to meet you.
Je suis ravi d'être ici.
I'm thrilled to be here. I'm thrilled to be here.
Je suis ravi de commencer ce projet.
I'm thrilled to start at this project. I'm thrilled to start at this project.
Je voudrais.
I would like to.
Je voudrais lire un livre.
I would like to read a book. I would like to read a book.
Je voudrais manger des sushis.
I would like to eat sushi. I would like to eat sushi.
Je voudrais me coucher tôt.
I would like to go to bed early. I would like to go to bed early.
Allons,
Let's.
allons voir un film.
Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie.
Allons au parc.
Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park.
Prenons le dîner ensemble.
Let's have dinner together. Let's have dinner together.
Pourquoi ne pas?
Why don't we?
Pourquoi ne pas faire une promenade?
Why don't we take a walk? Why don't we take a walk?
Pourquoi ne pas sortir ce soir?
Why don't we go out tonight? Why don't we go out tonight?
Pourquoi ne pas essayer quelque chose de nouveau?
Why don't we try something new? Why don't we try something new?
J'envisage de.
I'm considering.
J'envisage de déménager à l'étranger.
I'm considering moving abroad. I'm considering moving abroad.
J'envisage de changer de travail.
I'm considering changing my job. I'm considering changing my job.
J'envisage de retourner à l'école.
I'm considering going back to school. I'm considering going back to school.
Que pensas tu de?
How do you feel about?
Que penses-tu d'avoir un animal de compagnie?
How do you feel about getting a pet? How do you feel about getting a pet?
Que penses-tu de déménager à Tokyo?
How do you feel about moving to Tokyo? How do you feel about moving to Tokyo?
Que penses-tu de faire des heures supplémentaires?
How do you feel about working overtime? How do you feel about working overtime?
Je prévois de.
I plan to.
Je prévois d'étudier plus dur.
I plan to study harder. I plan to study harder.
Je prévois de voyager l'année prochaine.
I plan to travel next year. I plan to travel next year.
Je prévois d'acheter une maison.
I plan to buy a house. I plan to buy a house.
Tu veux?
Do you wanna?
Tu veux regarder un film?
Do you wanna watch a movie? Do you wanna watch a movie?
Tu veux prendre un café?
Do you wanna grab coffee? Do you wanna grab coffee?
Tu veux faire une promenade?
Do you wanna go for a walk? Do you wanna go for a walk?